Oh, those fire trucks in the back, if you can hear. What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with another new video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a clicky, glossy, like banana taffy slime. I'm not using Daisy Clay, just as a reminder, because I can't get my hands on Daisy Clay right now because I am too lazy to look on Amazon and wait for it. So, yeah. So, I'm going to show you how to make a clicky, well, not a clicky, I would say a thick, let's see, but Laffy Taffy slime. So you will need a bowl and an airtight container. I am using this as my bowl because I don't want to get mold, and also it's an airtight container. Just saying, airtight container. Choice of activator, I'm using borax, but you don't have to. I just want to empty this bottle out. You will need baby oil to get its smooth texture. You will need, let me just get my paint. You will need paint, and I am going to be using yellow for this one, like banana taffy. You will need glue. I'm using glue wall because I figured out that glue wall makes slime super thick when you want one, so yeah. And you will need a mixing utensil. Let's get started. So you are going to take your bowl, container, and you are going to get your spoon, and you're going to get your glue. And then you're just going to pour, oh, there's a foam bead in here. And you're going to just pour some of the glue. Oh, wrapping some lock glue. Okay, let me just close this. And then you're going to add a tiny bit of paint. I don't know. Let me see. Don't you just hate when the paint gets all over you? You're just, if you want it to be pastel, only add a little bit. If you want it to be like banana taffy, then add a lot. I want it pastel. Ooh, this paint is strong. So here's my banana taffy color. I like it. And then you're going to add your baby oil. Just a tiny bit. No, it spilled always on my counter. Okay, that's enough. Oh, it always spills on my counter, and it's all over my nails and everything. Ugh. I don't like baby oil. And this is what makes the slime super oily. Here's my slime. And now you're going to add your activator. I was about to say borax, no, activator. Come back here. Okay. I'm going to add a tiny bit because my activator is strong, because somehow I never am able to find a spoon, so I use a cap. And a cap, I use like 2 caps. So I don't have to use that much borax because I'm kind of lazy to go get water. I'm very lazy. Okay, so it smells good because of the baby oil. Whoa, this is coming out so cool. I've actually never made like a really thick, successful slime. And I know some people would use cornstarch for this recipe, but I don't have cornstarch at the moment, so I just am using baby oil. And I figured out baby oil gives it a very nice, smooth texture. Okay, so it's turning into slime slowly. Make sure that like all the lines are out of the slime, because like you don't want those in your slime. Like, no, girl, you don't want that. Oh, and make sure you don't over borax it, because if you do, you have to get lotion and add it. And I bet everybody's got lotion at their house. I mean, come on now. If you can't see me, I'm in an awkwardly camera mode. Okay, so it's finally coming together. Okay. add a little bit more. Till it starts to add us a lot. Okay. I'm gonna add like just a tiny. Okay. Mix that in. And then once it finally starts to come off the bowls, you know that it's ready. Okay, so it's starting to come off. I like to put it on my chest like this. Mix it. It gives me better force. Oh no. So I tried this in blue, but I ended up adding too much baby oil. And so it's just like completely like when I when you leave it out a lot and like the Day-So clay comes up, it kind of was like that, like the baby oil was on the top and it was just gross. So I threw it away and I tried a second time, and this is my second time. Hopefully I didn't add too much, but I'm pretty sure I did because I always have to ruin stuff like that. Whoa. Okay, it finally came together. I'm gonna like put it on my counter and start kneading it. Whoa. This has such a weird texture, like when you first my mom was watching TV right now and she was like this. And I was like, oh my God, what are you making that face? I was like, what are you making that face for? Oh, she said to me right now, that woman has 6 kids. She was like, oh my God, how does she take care of all of them? She's always like, oh my God, how do you take care of 6 kids? Like, just how? Like, it's just like you be broke. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. What? Ooh. This has a really nice, like, doughy texture. So, like, you want to make sure you get all the strands out. Okay, so this is a bit hard because I think I kind of overwaxed it. Didn't I say I was going to ruin it? So I kind of said that I was going to overwax it, and I did. So clear hair gel to save the day. Okay, so I got some of my handy clear hair gel. Okay, I'm going to take the spoon. Hold on, I'm going to get all the excess on my spoon. This was always a word that was weird to me. Excess. I can never say it. What the? Excess. Okay, you know, that's my least favorite word too. Okay, I'm going to add some clear hair gel. This is very strong. Just saying. Oh, that might completely melt the slime. All right, there we go. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Now I'm going to just, like, knead this in. Okay. So, by the way, if your slime gets too hard like mine, just add some lotion. It could be any type of lotion. But if it's Suave, that's, like, kind of the best lotion for slime. So, you're lucky, guys. But also, okay, so you can use other ones like Lubriderm and stuff, like Gold Bond, but keep in mind that those are stronger than Suave, so like if you add a lot, it will completely melt the slime like this, like it's getting sticky. Like it will completely melt it, you guys. So you want to be careful. This totally reminds me of banana taffy. Guys, if you have cornstarch, totally add it. It would probably get thicker, but I don't have cornstarch because I used it all. Waste everything in my path. So, yeah. Okay, so I finally made my slime. And it's not like, it's very thick. I really like it, and I like the results to it. It's like super thick and nice, but I think what would make it thicker if I had cornstarch. So once I get my hands on it, I would definitely add it into this slime. Especially because it's yellow, it's like such a nice doughy color. One of my pet peeves is when people have fake nails, like mine. I have fake nails right now, just saying. When people have fake nails and they poke the slime like this, comment down below if that's one of your pet peeves too, and they go like this. And I just hate it because it doesn't make as much noise as regular nails do, and I really like poking noises. And so, yeah, and I'm literally doing one of my pet peeves. It's making me cringe so much. I'm like, although it's kind of fun to do it. I don't know why. It's like fun. Makes like all the lines. Okay, well this slime is super nice. I totally think you guys should try it because like this is a really nice slime. Especially because we added like glue wall. Glue wall makes it extra thick, and I really like it. So, let's do some ASMR time because when slime is good, I do ASMR. I tend to, okay? I tend to. Ooh. Hey. Okay, so I got my slime. Oh, there's just this bowl. Don't worry. Ow, my finger. Ow. Oh, yeah, because I have this, like, I don't know what happened. So that was my ASMR. Comment down below if you like this slime or if you tried it. And I literally love it. Like, it's so thick and nice. I'm glad I threw away my old slime because this is like way better. You can add shaving cream and cornstarch. I feel like that would make it better, but like I don't really want to add shaving cream, and I kind of want to add cornstarch, but I don't have it right now. I just hate it. So yeah. When you try your best and you don't succeed, call 911. Yeah, well, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to try out this recipe. Bye.